In order to help you pass your exams and enter school this year, we will continue with our review. In this part 27, we will continue our videos on use of English. We started in part 25. We handled questions on nearest and meaning. And I told you in the next phase, we'll continue with opposite in meaning, antonyms. So I need you to pay rapt attention, right? Avoid any form of distraction. Just concentrate as we continue reading. Choose the option nearly opposite in meaning. Choose the option nearly opposite in meaning. I need you to get the instruction right. Choose the option nearly opposite in meaning to the words underlined. Nearly opposite in meaning to the words underlined. A. The lady has devised a means of tackling her current challenges. Remember, we're talking about opposite in meaning. The lady has devised a means of tackling her current challenges. A. Attacking her current challenges. B. Avoiding. C. Handling. D. Suspending. The opposite of tackling her challenges is avoiding her challenges. So the answer is what? B. Avoiding. That is why understanding the question matters. That is why understanding the instruction that is backing up the question matters a lot. Let's move on. Okay. Choose the option nearly opposite in meaning to the words underlined. Before we get into this question 32, I need you to know that if you watch this video from here, from beginning to the end, you will qualify to get a free gift from me. I've been giving out that gift. I don't know if I've given to you. The gift is I'll be giving you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past questions. Free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question. I will give it to you if you watch this video till the very end, free. I just need you to concentrate and watch till the end. 140 kilometers per hour is a reasonable speed limit. 140 kilometers per hour is a reasonable speed limit. Underlined reasonable. Underlined reasonable. A. Acceptable speed limit. B. Unbelievable speed limit. C. Outrageous speed limit. D. Detestable speed limit. Remember, we're looking for the opposite of reasonable. The answer is outrageous. Outrageous is not reasonable. Remember, you have to choose the option that will fit into the sentence. That will fit into the sentence. Okay. Outrageous speed limit is the opposite of reasonable speed limit. I need you to focus. Choose the option nearly opposite in meaning to the words underlined. Choose the option nearly opposite in meaning to the words underlined. The annual festival attracts dignitaries from both home and abroad. And you have dignitaries. 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 What is the opposite of dignitaries? A. Spectators. B. Celebrities. C. Chieftains. D. Non-entity. The answer should be non-entities. Non-entities. The non-entities are insignificant people, right? Not okay. I'm sure you are following. By the way, remember that what you are watching is question 27, part 27. Part 27 of the series we have been doing on use of English. That is to say, we started from part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 10, part 15, part 16, and all the rest. We have been doing a series on use of English, and if I were you, I will go back and start watching from part 1. If I were you, I will go back and start watching from part 1. Right? Watch part 1 over and over again. Watch part 2 over and over again. Watch part 3 over and over again. Keep watching. It will get you prepared for the exam you are preparing for. It's so very important. Okay? So important. So if you need me to give you the link to the videos we have done from part 1, all the videos we've done on use of English, if you need to get access to it, just let me know. I could give them to you. The soldiers were remorseful for the inhuman treatment of the civilians. The soldiers were remorseful What is the opposite of remorseful? Underline the remorseful. A. Boastful. B. Sad. C. Successful. D. Reliable. Of course, the opposite of being remorseful is being boastful. I hope you don't boast too much. The opposite of being remorseful is being what? Boastful. A remorseful person feels deep regret. When you are remorseful, you feel the regret, guilt, and sadness for having done something. But a boastful person talks and behaves in a way that shows excessive pride or self-importance. Do you understand? Now, there is something I need to explain to you in case if you have not heard it from me. One of the reasons why you need to pay greater attention to your JAMB preparation is that there's really no expo in JAMB. There's really no way you can improve your score after the JAMB exam. Some people will come to you and say if you pay 10,000, 50,000 or 100,000 as the case may be, that they will use their connection to give you admission, or that they will use their connection to increase your JAMB score from, let's say, 270 to let's say 170 to 270 or 120 to 330. No, these things doesn't happen in JAMB. Don't believe anyone that says it is right. Number two thing is that JAMB will give you less than 1 minute to attempt one question, each of the questions. So you have 180 questions to answer, and you will have only 40 seconds per question, right? You have 180 questions to answer, and you are given just 120 minutes, meaning that you have only 40 seconds per question. You can see that you have limited time once your computer is on between you and the system. So you need extra seriousness, extra preparation. That is why I will be giving you the link. If you ask me, I will give it to you so that you get more serious in your preparation. Okay? Choose the option nearly opposite in meaning to the words underlined. A. Insecurity has escalated since the present government came to power. Of course, you see that's what we are seeing in Nigeria. Insecurity has escalated since the present government came to power. A. Abated. B. Increased. C. Proliferated. D. Metamorphosed. Insecurity has escalated. Opposite of escalate is abate. Opposite of escalate is abate. To escalate means to increase in intensity, level, or degree. Abate means to reduce. Do you get? Why JAMB is asking all these things? They are trying to test your how fluent and how conversant and how proficient you are with English language. So they will ask you questions from all angles, just to know if you know use of English very well. Okay, we will now continue. Okay, question number 36. It is embarrassing to accept our mistakes and tender an apology. Remember, they said near opposite in meaning. It is embarrassing. That, remember, underline embarrassing. It is embarrassing to accept our mistakes and tender an apology. The opposite in meaning of embarrassing is acceptable, be honorable, C, detestable, D, pardonable. The answer to it, the opposite of embarrassing in this sentence should be honorable. It is honorable to accept our mistakes and tender our apology. That is actually the answer. Remember, I will urge you, if there is anybody that you are in quarrel with, or you are struggling with, you are keeping malice with, please, and you know you are at fault, go and apologize. It is an honorable thing to do. Please do it. Don't carry grudges into the JAMB exam hall. Okay? Are you here? Remember, if you watch this video to the end, you will qualify to get free JAMB syllabus from me and free JAMB past questions. I will give them to you free of charge. We have done a lot of videos on physics, chemistry, government, economics, mathematics. We have done quite a lot of videos on them, biology, literature, any of them. So if you need me to give you access to the videos we've done so that you can watch them many times for your own good, just let me know. I could consider giving you access so that you'll watch. Okay, just let me know. Just tell me in the comment section and say, sir, please give me the link or give me access to the videos you have done on this subject. You will now mention the subject. Choose the option nearly opposite in meaning to the words underlined. Choose the option nearly opposite in meaning to the words underlined. A. The lawmakers are perceived to be to be the greediest of the politicians. The lawmakers are perceived to be the greediest set of politicians. Greediest is underlined. So the opposite of greediest, is it selfless? B, unwanted. C, popular. D, popular. There is a mistake. Okay, the answer to greedy, the opposite of greed is selfless. Selfless is somebody that is generous, right? But greed is a selfish person that wants everything for him or herself. Okay, I hope you are understanding me. If you are following, let me know. I normally ask you if you learn or if you benefit from the videos I make, just let me know. Sometimes I feel that the videos I make may not really be helping anybody, but if they are helping you and you want me to keep making more videos, let me know. If there are also a certain kind of video you want me to make that you think will help you to pass, also type it and let me know. If I can't make it, I will instruct my staff to make it, right? Just tell me. If the videos are beneficial to you, don't hesitate to tell me, and tell me that you are benefiting from it, that you want me to keep making them. It will motivate me to make more. If there are some subjects I have not handled much on and you want me to handle them, let me know also. James found the photocopied material invaluable while preparing for the examination. Choose the word nearly opposite or nearly opposite. James found the photocopied material invaluable while preparing for the examination. A, valuable. B, worthwhile. C, worthless. D, important. The answer is worthless. Invaluable something is something that is extremely valuable. Let me read that. Invaluable means something that is extremely valuable, useful, or important. Worthless is something or someone that is considered to be of little or no value or use. I'm sure you are benefiting. I hope you are following. Okay, choose the option that is nearly opposite in meaning in the words underlined. Mr. Akin's health has greatly degenerated in the last week. Mr. Akin's health has greatly degenerated in the last week. Opposite meaning of degenerated is improved. B, deteriorated. C, expanded. D, abated. The answer is the opposite meaning of degenerate is improved. Okay. I'm sure you are following. Question 40. Choose the option nearly opposite in meaning to the words underlined. Nearly opposite in meaning. No. Remember, one of the reasons why you really need to prepare with your JAMB past question is that some of the time, in fact, most of the time, JAMB repeats itself. They will repeat a question, right? But they will twist it. They will not ask it the way they asked it the last year. That is why I need you to, part of your preparation is to get the JAMB past question from me and the JAMB syllabus and read according to the syllabus and solve as many past questions as possible. I encourage you, while you watch the videos I make, don't watch it like a Nollywood movie. Don't watch it like an action movie. Watch it like as something that is connected to your destiny, something that is connected to you entering school. And I want to decrease some things. Our goal in this channel is simple. Our goal is for you to write your JAMB and enter school this year. You will enter that school this year. I want you to claim it. You will be among those that will write this JAMB once and enter school. You will gain admission. Not only that you will gain admission, but you enter your preferred university and study the course you choose. They won't give you something different from the one you chose. You will also not score 170, 130 in your JAMB. No way. You will get 300 and above in this JAMB. Nothing will stop you, even money. No issue will occur that will stop you from getting admission this year. If you claim it, let me know. If you claim that you will score 300 and above in your exam, let me know. Type I claim it in the comment section. Now let's continue with question 4. Choose the option nearly opposite in meaning to the words underlined. The incumbent president conceded defeat before the final result was announced. The incumbent president conceded. What does it mean to concede? Defeat before the final result was announced. A, remember they say choose the opposite in meaning. A, accepted. B, rejected. C, opposed. D, challenged. Okay, opposite to concede. To concede means to reject. Opposite of it means to reject. Concede defeat means to accept the defeat. Then the opposite is to reject it. Concede means to admit, acknowledge or accept something as true or valid. Reject means to refuse to accept, consider or approve something. Are you here with me? Okay. Now let's look at this question 41. Choose the option with the correct spelling from the options lettered A to D. Choose the option with the correct spelling from the options lettered A to D. A. Interpret. B. Interpret. C. Interpret. D. Interpret. I won't answer question 41. I'm giving it to you as an assignment. Look at it again. Choose the option with the correct spelling choose the option with the correct spelling from the options letter A to D. Interpret. I-N-T-E-R-P-R-E-T-E. That is option A. Option B is I-N-T-E-R-P-R-E-T. Option C, I-N-T-P-R-E-T. Then option D, I-N-T-E-R-P-R-E-T-T-E. Which one is the correct spelling of interpret? Tell me in the comment section. In video part 28, we will continue with this question 41. I will also announce the answer to question 41. That will be the first question we'll handle in video 48. But before then, I need you to simply, if you need to get the materials, the past question, the syllabus, or if you need me to give you access to other videos we have done, you need to do 4 things. 4 things. Number 1 is compulsory. Number 1 is for you to join our YouTube channel. That is the number 1. And see it as an investment. You have invested money in registering for the JAMB. Some of you have also invested money in lesson center, on other materials. So see joining our YouTube channel, becoming a member. That is the key. If you join and become a member, you can call me, you can ask me your questions, you can have direct contact with me. So go ahead, find the option in our channel and join. Stop postponing it. Join now. Number 2 is I need you to like this video. Just click on like this video. Number 3, when you like this video, then share this video. Click on share this video here on YouTube. Go ahead, share it on YouTube. Then again, click on share, copy the link of this video, and when you click on share, just copy the link, share that link you copied on WhatsApp group, WhatsApp status, share it on Facebook groups, Facebook status, share it on Twitter, share it on Telegram, share it to all your friends, your classmates, everybody you know writing this JAMB. Ensure that you extend this link to them. It will help them to pass. Then finally, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. The first thing, number 1 is compulsory. Join. Talk to your neighbor and say join. Join our YouTube channel. Number 2, like this video. Number 3, share this video. And number 4, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then when you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. Come under this video and type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send all those materials you need to you immediately. There is a video, very important video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it now and watch.